Hello my water lemons. Today I will be teaching you two-digit multiplying. So we have 56 times 52. The multiplication question would look like this. And we put a times sign over there. The first step is 6 times 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. We can't put 12 like right there because we need to have 2 times 5 over here. So we put the 1 at the top here or over here, whatever you like it. I like it at the top. So then we do 2 times 5, that equals 10, and we add a 1, that makes 11. Then we put the 11 over here because there's no more numbers to times. Then we don't do the same thing here. We're moving on to the tens place, so we put a 0 here at the ones. 5 times 6 equals 30. We can't put 3 over here because there's more numbers to times, so we put it over here as tiny as possible so you don't mistake it. Yeah, okay. Then 5 times 5 equals 25, but there's still a remainder of 3 over here. Then we add 3 to 25, so that makes 28. And we cross that 3 out. Then we draw another line, but it's not times, it's add. So then when we add all of this together, it makes the final answer. The final answer is 2,912. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and don't remember to like and subscribe.